Hey guys, hello everyone, I missed you so much, so today I decided to make this breakdown video about this animation. So we will see how everything works inside and you will know some interesting things for yourself and you will be able to make something new, yeah? So we can see here this flash, yeah, on the start of this animation. So we are choosing the headphones, yeah, like then it goes in this way. Then very smooth transition, guys, very smooth transition. I like it so much. So yeah, it looks very cool. So then we can see this person, yeah, what can see these different images from Instagram, yeah, something like that. And then one more smooth animation. And guys, look, we can see that we have some motion here, and then goes on the another composition. You can see composition number 3, and we can see that here we not just see like a picture, yeah, that shows our headphones. We have some movements, so we are making the transition by movement, and in this way you will be able to make different transition very clear. So look, yeah, it goes in this way. So due to this movement from here, yeah, it makes the animation transition much more clear and beautiful. So like this, yeah, I like it so much. By the way, this animation was made by Eptivisuals. On my YouTube channel you can see a lot of different other animation breakdowns about their animation, and not only there. So also guys, now you can see this animation what I'm already making for my course, so you can already buy it, and on this week I already will higher the price, so it will be double price, yeah. So while it still costs $7.99, you are able to buy it, and I like this animation so much. So let's get back, yeah, let's come back to our animation, and by the end of this animation we can also see this flash at the end, what I like so much as well. We will see how it works inside, and we can see this looped transition, yeah. So why they made like this splash here? So that's because we have this flash at the end of this animation. So it looks very beautiful and clear. So as you can see, it looks like this video is repeating, yeah, but they made it loop to make viewers watch it sometimes. So let's see about first animation, I mean first composition of what they made inside. So here's just the person, yeah. Also these headphones, they made it in Adobe Illustrator. You can make different objects like this in Illustrator as well, or you can just download it from, for example, from Freepik, yeah, or you can even make it in Adobe After Effects, but this is a bit harder. But anyway, if you want something to make, you will be able to make it, just put some more time. Let's have a look what we have. This splash, yeah, this splash was made by the solid, so we just need to create the solid, and like as we can see here, it's dark, yeah, so it's dark solid. And then they applied here lens flare and CC toner. Here we can see that we have some keyframes on the flare center and flare brightness. So this is our flash here, and its duration about 1 second. So let's see on these properties here. So the flare brightness, yeah, we can see it higher and decreasing to the end, yeah, and also the position. So flare center is just the position of what you can make as you wish. So as you can see, yeah, it's just moving with this keyframe, and flare brightness was made by this keyframe. So what would be if we don't have, for example, CC toner? Let's remove it, and we can see only this lens flare effect. So this lens flare, just a default effect. If you haven't used it yet, you can try it. This effect looks very interesting and cool. But if you will use it like a combination with CC Toner, probably you will be able to create much more better like colors. Yeah, for example, we have here two main colors, like purple and blue. Maybe the third one is black. Yeah, so we can see there the main like colors purple and blue. That's why we made this color not like just white, we are making it in the same color as our composition. So very cool feature. Also guys, here we can see these headphones, just scaling, nothing too special, just use some keyframes for your headphone. I'm sure here, yeah, it's just the scale keyframes, so from 96 to 77, so it's decreasing, then another one is increasing. Very easy. This body they made in Adobe Illustrator, so also nothing special. You can make different bodies like this and even better. Guys, I already made some videos in my course, so you can check it how I made this. Very easy. And guys, let's move on. We can see different pictures from Instagram, yeah, that goes from the bottom, from this shape layer. Yeah, they made it just in Adobe Illustrator as well, but you can make it in the same way. Just use the ellipse tool, make it something like that, and then just put some efforts and some time to make the same gradients. For example, let's make it together. Let's make the black color here. I want here something like a purple, but maybe it will be like a dark purple color, and then let's make it something like that. Yeah, so now it looks way better. Maybe let's make it in this way, and here we will make some transition between these two colors, so something like that, maybe a bit lighter. Yeah, so I like it. And also we can make here, we can add here some white color also, so it would be very nice if we will place it somewhere here, maybe somewhere here. Need to find this shape layer. So guys, we can see that we have something similar. Yeah, we can make it much more like closer, yeah, to our shape layer, like this, like they made in Illustrator. So they have more white color over here. So for example, if you want to make it in the same, you can use, for example, the radial gradient. So we will have it in this way. Yeah, very cool. Also, I like how it looks. Now we can compare these layers, but anyway, we don't need to make in the same, exactly the same way. We can see just like it looks pretty cool, pretty beautiful. That's all we need. So you can make different shape layers for your background, for your just a ground. Yeah, different layers like this, just using some gradient for it. So let's move on and let's see what we have here. We can also see like it's increasing some brightness here for this layer. Yeah, so here they use just levels, and if you will apply some levels for it, you will be able to see like we can use this property. If we like touching this property, we can see that output white is moving. Yeah, so like we can make some changings with it. Yeah, so here we have keyframe for histogram, then you will just need to like move from this point, and here we will move to the 5 second, for example, and we will move somewhere here. But also you can pause this video and you can make it in the same way. So just you need to understand that with this effect you are able to make the same. So guys, let's move on and see the next animation here. So also this transition made by movement, you just need to move your different pictures or objects, main objects, for example in this side, and then from another one it like goes, and we can see this perfect transition. Yeah, so, and guys, if you are attentive, we can see that this person is moving as well. So for example it stays here, yeah, and they placed it over here, and like we can see this eyes and mouth that also just going from the side, from the left side to the right side, yeah. And it looks like his face are turning, yeah. Very cool feature. Let's see the way they made this screen effect. So they made just different pictures, yeah. So they placed different pictures, and if you see the composition settings, we can see here the width and height, what you can just duplicate or write somewhere, note somewhere. Like, just you need to understand that they just made this custom composition. They placed here some pictures inside, and after that they just used this effect CC cylinder, so it looks like it in the cylinder form, yeah, something like that. Let's open this effect. So for example, here we can see plus 90, then it goes to the negative, yeah, to the negative degrees. So very cool effect, guys. I think here nothing too special. I don't know what's it. So some adjustment layer, I guess they used glow for it, yeah. Now they used camera lens blur. So let's turn it off. So yeah, like we can see, like we have some blur here. Also we can see that these objects are not in 3D layers. Also they didn't use it at all, yeah. And this composition looks pretty easy. So the next one and the last one here, yeah. So very easy, the same. This hand they made separately from the body, yeah. So we can make the body part and this hand part. So if you open it, we have some puppet. They use it, yeah, in this way. So pretty cool. And it looks like it touches this headphone here. And here we can use the lens flare. The same way I just show you in the first part of our animation. So we can see here the lens flare, CC toner, and the same as I just showed you in the beginning. So lens flare we just setting from 0 to 100, yeah. No, even much more, and just changing the position of the center just a little bit. So guys, looks pretty interesting, pretty cool. Let's check it one more time. This animation looks like advanced, yeah, and this is advanced because they used perfect colors, they used perfect transitions, they used everything. But if to sync, just to sync a bit, there's not very hard to make this animation. When I just watched it the first time, I was impressed because I thought this animation is really hard. But if you just sync a bit, this animation are not so hard. Pretty easy and pretty cool animation. And guys, in the end of this video, I just want to remind you that you're able to buy the course. So while I not double price, yeah, while I'm not increasing the price because I'm going to make it on this week. So you will be able to see a lot of different stuff there, while there are not too much of content because I am on the way, yeah. I am making it, I am making the videos on YouTube, I am making the videos in the course. So while it just costs about $7.99, you're able to buy it. So guys, have a good day everyone, and thank you so much for your attention, for watching me. I appreciate you so much, and have a good day and goodbye.